Now the next part is I'm gonna share with you guys 10 common asked questions that you guys might want to ask or might want to know, okay? So I'm gonna preempt you guys and answer for you. First question, is it easy to learn Lumafusion? My friend, okay, there's a lot of tutorial from Lumafusion themselves and myself and other YouTubers out there that you have tons, hours of free content for you to learn from. Depends on what level you are at, from beginner to more advanced. There's enough free content there for you to learn. But the key point is, it's simple to learn. Other video editing software could take you 3 months to learn, 3 to 6 months to learn. But with Lumafusion, I'll give you 1 week to 2 weeks. It's not that complex of a video editing software, put that way. How many tracks? I told you guys before, it can give you 6 video tracks and 12 audio tracks altogether. So if you're editing on audio only, you have 12 tracks. But if you are editing video and audio, you have 6 video tracks and 6 audio tracks. Way more than enough for most of you, or for most of us, okay? Let me add that point. What about color grading? Is Lumafusion can grade footage like other programs like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut? My friend, then Lumafusion is not for you. At this stage right now, Lumafusion grading, color grading wise, is not there yet. But for the price you get, I can live with that. Can you edit 4K? The answer is absolutely yes, my friend. I just show you guys, okay? You can edit 4K easily. No stutter, no rendering, always good, okay? Smash through 4K easily on a tablet. Are there many resources to learn Lumafusion? Yes, of course. Go to Lumafusion website, YouTube website. There's tons of tutorial out there for you. There's also independent educator like myself. You can learn, okay? Depends on your style, okay? My style could be different, but select your teacher, okay? When you are ready, there's always a teacher somewhere on the net for you. How much does this cost? Right now, officially in the iOS system, it's $30. Now Android, from what I heard so far, is $30 as well, okay? So $30. How many devices can you install Lumafusion? Now in the Apple iOS system, Lumafusion, they allow you to have 10 devices, okay? So with just one account, okay, you can have 10 different devices that's running Lumafusion. But for the Samsung Galaxy S tablet, the standard must be kept the same, otherwise there's a lot of complaining, right? So you expect to have 10 as well to match iOS system, okay? So I expect 10 different devices. Is there a free update to 3.0 in the future? The answer is absolutely yes, my friend. That's the thing I love about Lumafusion. They're not a greedy company, okay? They're not a greedy company. So I expect a free upgrade to 3.0, but there's other in-app purchase, okay? That is more advanced level. You, my friend, have to sort out that. But it's not gonna be over the top kind of price. So free upgrade to 3.0, but for the in-app purchase, it's not gonna be a huge amount. Now, if I switch from my iOS iPad account to Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, will Lumafusion give me a free product? Interesting questions. The answer is probably no. Two different companies, brother. Two different companies. But it doesn't cost you an arm and a leg, okay? It's not breaking the bank, put it that way, okay? Pay $30, you're good to go. When is the update to 3.0? I don't want to use a second class app. Now, after they launch, my speculation, okay? Give them 6 months, okay? To update to 3.0. They have to make minor tweaks to the program to make it work for Samsung Android Chrome OS system, but give them 6 months, Okay, that is roughly, I think it's a good time for them to give them that kind of time to test out the products.